Auya mavizhongo ramba waraira. Unoroa gotsi uchifunga kuti imbwa nekunakirwa. Dzepamvura kantini. Chete.
Today I rose to the world's cries, the joys, the sorrows, and all the lies, even in breaks and I realize time flies. As I rise again in this world, I come to the realization that education is not only through systematic schooling. I realize that education is coming together as troops for active services of mental and moral powers by a system of study and discipline, and also through life experiences, with the teachers helping to comprehend all that we assimilate from the beginning to the ending of our lives, in the development of the powers and faculties bestowed upon us at birth. This education does not only include systematic schooling, but that enlightenment and sense in individuals.
Distance may seem far away, everything may seem what is significant, but who says you cannot be that person who dream of being such a god and then be determined to accomplish it. Be confident and always be proud to be you. But the question is, are you determined? Are you that kind of person who gives up easily when they came across an obstacle? Are you that kind of person who gives up after having failed? Because
the highest work of education is to imbue that vitalized energy, received through the contact of mind with mind and soul with soul. Only life can beget life. There is no limit to the usefulness of one who, putting self aside, makes room